Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. If you are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle and fitness video every week. For today's video, I'm gonna share you guys Korean makeup for summer. I mean summery Korean makeup, but I don't use Korean beauty products. So if you don't live in Korea and if you don't have any Korean beauty products, you can easily follow my makeup. Yesterday I changed my nail in a peach color, so I just feel like I want to kind of film a makeup related video. I feel really refreshed, so I want to do kind of peachy summery Korean makeup. So let's get started. Anyway, I already applied sunscreen on my face. Sunscreen is my life. This is my pouch and I put all my beauty stuff here. So first I'm gonna apply my foundation. This is Fit Me Hydrate Smooth foundation. Problem is there's no pump in the bottle, so it's kind of annoying to apply. The color is medium. It's a little darker, to be honest, on my skin. I want to make a kind of like tan makeup every single day while living here. I'm in the beauty stand. Art is a little different compared to Korea, because Korean loves like pale skin, but here people, I live in Canada right now, like more like tanned and healthy glowy skin. So I apply first by my fingers, then I'm gonna use pom pom. Definitely I love to use pom pom instead of a brush. I just love the feeling. I like to do light makeup because I love makeup, but I don't want to be too much khaki, and that makes me feel like too much stuff on my face. This is Rimmel's lightweight powder. I almost use it. I love the contour. It gives more depth into my face, so I'm gonna use my Eco Tools brush. First, I wanna do definitely my cheekbones and the side of my face. Not too much. The point of Korean makeup is look natural. We love natural look, so who doesn't love that? So my base makeup is done. Really simple and easy. It's time to apply blush, so I'm gonna use this one. I almost used it and I lost the case. I want to do peach makeup to match my nails, so it's kind of orange color. We love look young and fresh, so the way how you apply blush is important. Not too much like this. You have to make a kind of like straight line. This is the way how I apply blush. Like this. Like this. Not too much and simple. How my face look different by just applying 2 strokes. Amazing. Alright, and it's time to draw my eyebrow. It's really important part because I don't have much eyebrow. It sounds weird. I'm gonna use e.l.f. eyebrow kit. When I was in Korea, I really liked to use Innisfree's eyebrow pencil because they are really affordable, easy to dry. There are so many color options, but here in Canada I cannot get it. But I heard that Innisfree will launch soon in Canada, Toronto, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna use this brush kit. First I'm gonna use this powder to outline my eyebrow. Whenever I don't have time, I just go straight to this thing instead of draw the outline. Okay, I'm gonna use this mirror here because there's a mirror inside of it. Okay, I outlined the eyebrow and I'm gonna use this one to fill the eyebrow more delicate. It's like a chocolate color because I have light brown hair colors, so I don't want to make my eyebrow too much. And Korean makeup draw eyebrow really little, like look natural and thick, but I just feel like North American makeup is make more eyebrow look stronger and sharp and thinner. I draw it. My hair looks a little messy because I don't dry them like completely. I just dry them naturally. So it's time to do eye makeup, the fun part of makeup. I'm gonna use this Tarte makeup box with this brush from Naked 3 Palettes. When I was in Korea, I really want to try like foreign branded makeup, so I got this when I was in Korea through Sephora because they are not in Korea Tarte. But right now I miss Korean beauty products. But first I want to use my fingers when I apply base makeup, so I'm gonna use this bronze casting color. My makeup box is dirty, and I want to use mirror here. There's a mirror here because it looks easy, you know, like applying makeup by recording, but actually the reality is really not easy. So I put base makeup. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna use this color, but I'm gonna go with this color, like not too much, just simple, natural. That's whole point of Korean makeup. So I give more of that. My eyes look better, right? I don't want to apply mascara, so if you want, you can definitely apply. But I'm just go straight to draw the eyeliner, the most important part of my daily makeup. I'm gonna use this Revlon's Color Stay Eyebrow Pencil. I didn't review this product, but it's a liquid eye pen. I love to use liquid pencil type of eyeliner because it's easier to draw and the brush is thicker compared to other liners, so I spent less time to draw the line, so because I love thick eyeliner. General Korean makeup, we draw a lot of like eyeliner. That's really important because North American makeup, they focus more on applying mascaras and like colorful eyeshadow, but we focus on more like drawing liner. I want to do wing eyeliner, but we love to look young Korean makeup, so the tip of the eyeliner is gonna be a little lower than wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna first draw the line. I need a mirror, I see. Then a little lower, like this, and build it up. You can see the tip of the eyeliner is lower than my eyes. Makes me look young. A little lower and build it up. Boom. So it's time to apply lip. Today I'm just gonna apply this lip gloss. Sexy Mother Pucker. The color is Sugar Peach because today's makeup is kind of peach makeup, so it's really glossy. This is really easy and simple Korean makeup. You don't need any Korean beauty products to do Korean makeup, so I really hope this video helps you to Korean makeup. Thanks for watching, and if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. This is, I'm really do my best to explore new videos, new products. So I hope you guys like this video and see you in my next video. Bye guys.